Hi, this is John again, the owner and developer of VectorDecks. In my previous tutorials, we went through the different steps involved on how you can create different kind of options within VectorDecks menu selections. Now, the last step in this process is probably the most important one. And that is, we don't want to lose all the different things we just created, the classes and the textures. And we want to be able to have access to them when we start a new project or a new deck design. And the way we do this, we're going to create another VectorDecks stationery file. First, go ahead and make sure everything in your document is gone. I usually sometimes do a select all and delete just to make sure everything is gone. You have a blank document. We're still in the document we were working in. And then go up to this menu here, the File menu, and select Save as Template. Now, you'll see I have in the background there, that's grayed out, the VectorDecks. And I have VectorDecks 2, VectorDecks 3, VectorDecks 4. What I generally do is when I'm working on this, I save multiple templates until I'm comfortable with a template that I want to convert to just the VectorDecks template. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to name this number 5 and click Save. And now we have a template or stationery file that we have access to. I could show you here. Let's close out of this document. Let's open a new one. Now I'm going to go back to that VectorDecks stationery, click OK, and you'll see that those particular settings are now gone. We didn't save it as a VectorDecks stationery. We saved it as a VectorDecks 5. And close this one out. Now open New and select that VectorDecks 5 stationery. And now you'll see you'll have all those different textures we created in finishes, those teaks, the teak trim and the teak decking. That's why it's important to always save it as a template. That way it doesn't just reside in any individual document. It'll always be available to you if you ever want to create a new document. You have these different templates that you've saved that's available to you. There's no restrictions. You can have as many templates as you'd like.